In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Roblox GUIs using Figma. We'll start right inside Figma. Open a new file or any existing design where you want to mock up your Roblox interface. Make sure you're in the design view so you can work with frames, shapes, and text. Frames act like screens in Figma, so choose a desktop frame size from the Frame tool. This gives you a roomy canvas to lay out your GUI and preview it at a familiar scale. Next, add a shape for your main GUI panel. Grab the rectangle tool and draw a box in the center of your frame. This will serve as your dialog or prompt container. Give it a stroke to make the edges stand out, something subtle is usually best, and set the stroke color to black for a clean, readable outline. Feel free to adjust the stroke thickness and corner radius so it looks polished and fits your game's style. Now add your message. Select the text tool and click inside the panel. Type the prompt. Would you like to buy another house? If your text wraps awkwardly, resize the text box or adjust line height for better readability. You can also add a light stroke to the text if your background is busy, but keep it subtle so it doesn't look harsh. Increase the font size until the message is easy to read at a glance, and choose a font style that matches your Roblox game's tone. Bold for strong prompts, or regular for a calmer feel. Let's add the choices. Click with the text tool again and type Yes. Place it near the bottom left or right of the panel, whichever aligns with your layout. Add a stroke if you need more contrast, then change the color to something that communicates confirmation, like a bright or friendly tone. Duplicate that text or repeat the process for a second option, but this time type No. Give it its own color so players can visually distinguish the actions quickly. With your content in place, select the main frame itself. In the right panel, open the fill settings. Change the fill type to image, then add a background image from Roblox. This could be a screenshot of your map or a thematic backdrop. This helps you preview how your GUI will look in context. If the background competes with the panel, reduce its brightness or blur it lightly so your text stays readable. That's it. You've created a clear, styled Roblox GUI mockup in Figma, complete with a dialog, buttons, and a contextual background. Save your file, keep your layers labeled, and you're ready to iterate or export assets for your game.